Yesterday, the gold created a bullish candle. The price has started from 2857.20. The week started from this support level, and we can see the price formed a strong bearish candle yesterday, a bullish candle yesterday, which the price formed a bullish breakout above 2878.61. And we can see currently the price is trading above this resistance support level, currently acting as a support, and we can see the price has returned back down just to confirm the previous resistance. Now it is acting as a support, which will also help the price from reaching higher price levels. Well, will that happen? It depends also to see what happens on the lower time frame, and especially will the current day candle stay above this support level or it will return back down, which will invalidate this bullish breakout, which will then mean that the price will return back down to the lower price levels. Yesterday, inside the premium analysis, I have shared with the traders two bullish breakouts. First one was here, this one at 2870.61. We can see that, where I have mentioned that the price is targeting this area of resistance, the starting of this demand supply zone here, and the price has done just that, and the price has reached the take profit level. After that, the price has formed another bullish breakout here, which I have also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. After this bullish breakout has been formed, I have informed traders that it is expected the price will reach 2894 price level, and we can see that price has done just that, reaching also again the take profit level. Before that happened, the price is returned back down. We can see that bouncing from 2878.61. This is the daily support level, which I have just mentioned on the daily time frame. And we can see where the price currently is. So if you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. So you can also receive these updates with the target levels. What we can expect today? We can see that currently the daily time frame shows us that we have a bullish breakout where the price is turning back down to confirm the support level. Will this hold as a support level? Depends. We will see what happens during the day. We go to the 4-hour time frame. We will see that the price has formed this bullish breakout to reach the resistance level, and it has returned back down. We can see currently it is in between this resistance and the support level. This is the 4-hour time frame resistance level, which needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels, to confirm this bullish breakout as valid, and also to point us into a direction that the price will continue to rise in value. But if the price goes below this area of support, this 2878.61, the daily bullish breakout will be invalidated, which means the price will continue to lose its value. So we can see also on the 1-hour time frame how this looks. We currently have this support level at 2885.83. This is the 1-hour time frame support level, and we have 4-hour time frame resistance level, which is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. So also here, it is a very important support level that is holding the price. We can see that several hours ago, the price could not make a bearish breakout going further down, which means this is the support level that is currently holding, and this is the resistance level that is currently holding. If the price makes a bullish breakout, this will be indicate of the further rise in value. But if the price goes below this area of support, this means the price will continue to lose its value. So we can see that this is 2895.83 on the 4-hour time frame. Resistance level is very important for the price, and 2878.61 also a daily 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame support is also very important. So for now, I'm waiting to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and this area of support. When the price makes any kind of a breakout, I will inform the traders inside the premium analysis, so they are informed on time how the price is behaving and also what is the direction where the price is going. After the breakout happens, we also have potential targets above and also below this area of support and above the resistance. So it is very important to watch them, and also what is the expected area where the price will reach after the breakout happens. So we can see we are currently on the 1-hour time frame. We are in the uptrend channel. So if we put here horizontal these trend lines, we will see that the price is heading up, and it is currently at the confluence of support. We can see that here, where the price cannot make a bearish breakout on the 1-hour time frame, which is a great information for the bulls. And also what we can expect, if the price continues to rise in value, we will see that on the upper side, where the price is forming this channel, will try to reach an area here, a confluence of resistance. So this is the area after the price makes bullish breakout here. This is the area where it is expected that the price will try to reach. And this is something that is visible here on the chart by these horizontal lines, which represents support and resistance levels. Now if we can go in the past, we will see how the price has behaved when the price has reached this area of resistance. We can see that the price had problems reaching this area, but this was when the price was moving down. This is the downtrend channel. And also we can see this downtrend has been cancelled by this small uptrend, and we will see will the price return back above, which will be a very important resistance level. We can see that in the past the price was trying to move down. It was a support that was very hard to be broken, and we can see first time, second time and third time the price has managed to make a bearish breakout. So it will be also a little bit problem for the price to make a bullish breakout. It will be hard to break this resistance. So we'll see. Let's go 1 hour by hour and we'll see how the day will close today. But what we can see here currently, this is a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value. So because of this bullish breakout, I am expecting that the price will continue to reach higher price levels, where the next resistance will be here, which will be 2897, and we can see above that it will be around this one, 2907. So 2897. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that 2895.83, very close to 2986, and after that 2907, and especially we can see that it's much more closer here around 2910 and also 2908, starting of this supply zone. These are the daily targets for today, and this is something that I'm expecting that the price will try to reach here if the price do not go below this area of support and continues to lose its value. If the price goes against this bullish momentum, which is a bullish breakout, the first support level where the price will go is around this area, 2866 or 2867, if the price goes below this support level. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that here is around 2857.20 is also the next support level where the price could reach. If you would like to receive the updates regarding the bullish or bearish breakout on the lower time frame during the day, like yesterday and every day during the week, feel free to check the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.